Today, we're making crispy, juicy, honey garlic chicken thighs in the air fryer using the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, available on Amazon. See link in description. Let's get started. First, pat your chicken thighs dry and season with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika for a little extra flavor. Next, let's mix our sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey, 2 minced garlic cloves, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Give it a good whisk. Now brush a light layer of this delicious sauce over each chicken thigh. This is where that honey garlic magic happens. Preheat the Philips air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get ready to cook. Place the chicken in the air fryer basket, skin side up, and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway. The Philips XXL handles it perfectly, giving us crispy skin and juicy meat with minimal oil. When it's done, brush on any leftover sauce and add a sprinkle of green onions and sesame seeds if you like. Serve it up with rice or a fresh salad and enjoy. This is honey garlic chicken, made easy and healthy in the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. Perfect for any weeknight meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.